the World Health Organization on Thursday warned that Africa is set to see diabetes cases more than double to 55 million by 2045, the biggest increase across the globe. The World Health Organization Regional Director for Africa, Chidinma, says the COVID-19 pandemic will eventually subside, but Africa is projected in the coming years to experience the highest increase in diabetes globally. Moeti says 24 million people are currently living with the diabetes in Africa, which is also the region with the highest number of people who do not know their diagnosis. Poor diet and increasingly sedentary lifestyles are blamed for the particularly high level of type 2 diabetes on the continent. Now, many countries are preparing to mark World Diabetes Day, a global occasion on which people with diabetes, health professionals, diabetes advocates, media, the general public, and government organizations unite to raise awareness on the disease. In a press conference organized in Lagos State, Nigeria, the subject of availability of medication to diabetes patients, lifestyle medication target groups, amongst other things, were extensively discussed. News Central TV's Chidinma Nwosu tells us more.
Ahead of World Diabetes Day, scheduled to hold on the 14th of November 2021, there has been need to raise awareness towards diabetes as a global public health issue on what needs to be done collectively and individually for better prevention and management of the condition.
We have 550 million people with the condition. The population of Nigeria is just about 211 million. So that 550 million is like 2.5 times the population of Nigeria having such a deadly condition. If we put it side by side with other popular diseases such as COVID and HIV, diabetes is more than 100 times the prevalence of those other conditions. But still, many people do not have access to care. Why do they not have access to care? First of all, out of those 550 million people that have diabetes, only 50% of them know that they have diabetes.
As the world continues to live through the COVID-19 pandemic and other deadly diseases, the masses have been advised to be more intentional with daily consumption of processed foods, as well as making lifestyle changes towards the prevention of diabetes, which kills at least 1 every 10 seconds.
A recent study showed that 1 in 10 children born after the year 2000 will develop type 2 diabetes. The Global Burden of Health study showed that between the year 2023 and 2025, there will be a 103% rise in diabetic cases in Africa. So the prediction is that it may not get better. That is why it's important that we have to be intentional. We are now giving power to the individuals. We're giving power to you as you hear, so you take it away from here.
The use of social media platform was also highlighted as a tool to educate the masses about the dreaded disease.
Now, how can we get this in the face of Nigerians? Statistics have shown that the typical Nigerian adult spends approximately 5 to 7 hours on their mobile phones. So we need to start taking this message to where the people are on their phones. And how can we do that? Now, the studies are showing that, or statistics show that the most visited sites are like the YouTube, Google, Instagram, Facebook. So we have to be in the face of these social media reality TV shows.
In the lead up to World Diabetes Day, there is great need to be more intentional and scale up awareness towards the silent killer. Chidinma Nwosu, reporting for News Central.